And we have our honored guest, Mr. Miles Remington from BNP Paribas. He's head of Indonesian equity.
Good afternoon.
We will actually talk about the election and the result that we have just heard now. You've heard about Prabowo also claiming victory for this election. This looks like it'll be quite a while, a month of fighting between the two camps. How does this affect the economy, do you think? Is the market ready for this? Has it factored in this a possible conflict like this?
I suppose in part. I think that the hope and the wish that we would get a clear winner and loser, and everybody would smile and they would congratulate each other, pat them on the back, and then we'd move on. But it's become increasingly obvious over the last few days, weeks, the margin has been decreasing. So there was always a risk. Now the big question is going to be how we deal with that. I know there's a lot of dates already set for disputes and for assessing those disputes and resolving those, and by the middle of August, end of August, we have to have a conclusion. So we know what's going to happen. But obviously for the next few days, the market is not going to like any kind of uncertainty. The good thing seems to be, for market-friendly Jokowi, he still seems to be the person that's in front. Obviously it depends what the supporters do from here. If we do have reports of skirmishes, if we do have any cases where people perhaps getting onto the street and taking each side, then that's going to be negative for the market as well.
And when you say negative, that means portfolio out, investment awaiting, wait and see, or
I think to
what form would the market react?
Definitely, we've seen some good inflow year to date, 4 billion, close to $4 billion US.
But
it has slowed down recently. So I think investors have been cautiously optimistic. We saw a good performance from Prabowo on Sunday, so a little bit more money coming in. So yes, I think there might be a little bit of money coming out. But again, as long as we see and believe that at the end of it, it may take a month, that Jokowi-friendly market condition,
as long as you have the prospect.
Exactly, there should be a sense. An impact on the economy immediately, I don't see any. Perhaps you could argue that we will continue to see improvement in the currency on the IDR, if they believe that Jokowi is going to come through. So in that respect, I would see it as a positive. But we just need to follow for the next 24 hours what's happening and get reports from all the way through the archipelago to make sure that there's no protests and no problems.